This is the S.T Dupont D-line fountain pen. It comes in a black box with the S.T Dupont D logo on the top of the lid, with the S.T Dupont logo in the bottom corner of the box as well, in a silver color. It has a hinge style lid that lifts open, black interior with the S.T Dupont logo here on the inside of the box lid. And of course we have the S.T Dupont D-line fountain pen. This pen has a high-end lacquer finish that's just one of the best on the market. It doesn't scratch or fade or chip. And it has a gold colored trim with the S.T Dupont logo, D logo on the top, with a large gold band here with the clip that's attached. And that clip has the S.T Dupont medallion logo here, and a ring, nice ring at the center of the pen that's engraved with S.T Dupont and France. It's a French-made pen and has a matching gold end on the pen. It is a compression fit cap. It pulls off and clicks as you cap it. It just has a slight click or snap. You can also post that on the end of the barrel of the pen. However, there's no click when you post it. Matching gold section on the pen. It's engraved with the S.T Dupont that we talked about earlier. And it has a matching gold colored nib as well with a black feed. It is a cartridge converter style pen, so that front section unscrews. There is a standard international ink cartridge that's included with the pen. You could also put a converter on it if you want, but that would not be included. There's also some information and warranty underneath the false bottom of the box. But great pen. S.T Dupont's a great French brand. Get your S.T Dupont D-line fountain pen at penchalet.com.